For today's lesson, we are going to be multiplying fractions. We're going to do it in two ways. The first way, we're going to use these grids here. So the question we're going to be figuring out today is 2/3 times 4/5. So step one, if we're going to draw it out, is this one here. So this grid here uses the denominators, our 3 and our 5, as the dimensions. So as you can see, we have 3 by 5. Then we use the numerators to shade the columns and the rows of this dimension. So as you can see, we've got 3 here and 2, so this represents our 2/3. And on this other side, you can see that we're represented, we've got 4, and then obviously by 5. And then if we have a look down the bottom, this will actually help us figure out our answer. So obviously we know that there are 15 squares in total here, so that becomes our new denominator. And the fraction is actually where these two overlap. So if we count the squares, we can see that there's 2, 4, 6, 8. So using the pictures, our answer is 8/15. Now, if we were to do it in a maths way, okay, we know that for multiplication that you first have to multiply the numerators, so numerator times numerator, and then you do denominator times denominator. So if we have a look at our equation here, we know that 2 times 4 equals 8, and 3 times 5 equals 15. And that is how we multiply fractions. You always have to remember that we put it in its simplest form. However, this one is already in its simplest form, so the answer to 2/3 times 4/5 is 8/15.